Meet two of Australia's most iconic birds, the vibrant Rainbow Lorikeet and the cheeky, noisy myna. In this video, you can clearly see their stunning colors, unique calls, and competitive behavior as they fight over who gets to enjoy the food. The Rainbow Lorikeet is known for its dazzling feathers and love of nectar, while the noisy myna is a bold and social bird that lives up to its name. Together, they showcase the beauty and diversity of Australian wildlife. If you love birdwatching, wildlife photography, or simply enjoy the sounds of nature, this video is for you. Also, please remember to like, subscribe, and explore more of our beautifully diverse wildlife videos at Rivercrest Adventures. Now it's time to watch the video. Enjoy!
So pretty.